All right, so many people watching the forecast closely tonight, and will be tomorrow morning because we're back to the school bus routine, the morning routine to make lunches. What does the day look like? What do you pack for the clothes? You talk about that with Luca.
Yeah. Well, mainly just style.
It's
not
always,
even
it's
really
not about whether it's
just
shorts or t-shirt, right?
How's the polo going to look? Yeah, and it looks like a nice stretch. Nothing really eventful here for the next couple of days. A beautiful, unofficial kind of end to summer today. Although not going to be any changes over the next few days. Upper 70s to around 80s, what we ended up with. 80 in Bangor, 78 in Waterville, 81 in Augusta for a high temperature. The rest of today looks good. Tonight, quiet. Temperatures into the 50s. Couple of 40s across Aroostook County I could see happening. Maybe even parts of down East Maine away from the immediate coastline there. And then tomorrow we may start with a little additional cloud cover. Likely this model's slightly overdoing the amount of clouds that we're going to have tomorrow morning, but we end up largely sunny by later in the day. Not even, late morning, midday. Temperatures in the 70s to around 80. Again, tomorrow afternoon, so it plays a lot like today. We do that again on Wednesday, particularly along the coastline. It's a very similar day. There's a lot of sunshine around. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s. There will be an isolated chance for a shower or storm in the mountains, but as you can see from this small scale model, and all the other models are doing kind of the same thing. There aren't many showers and storms around here on Wednesday, just some scattered stuff in the mountains and maybe foothills, but I don't think it makes it downhill from there. So I think as a percentage, let's say, 95% of the state stays dry through Wednesday, and then back into another nice day on Thursday, upper 70s to around 80. So more or less kind of cruising forward with days like today through at least Thursday. Things get a little bit more interesting on Friday and Saturday. Friday, we've got a front approaching. So the front is actually back here, but sometimes you get a prefrontal trough. So it's an area of instability ahead of the front itself, giving us a chance for some showers on Friday. Again, I don't think there are a ton of these around, but certainly more than Wednesday. So a chance for a shower Friday afternoon, especially over western Maine. Saturday, the front is closer. So we start with clouds and then pop up showers and storms with some downpours possible on Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. The question is the exact position. Right now, the European model has that front over northern Maine and then back into the Champlain Valley. But note, the coastline stays largely dry in this scenario. So if we run that forward, you can see the rain is largely in northern Maine, not much along the coast. Freeze that image and then look at the drought monitor. It's kind of inverted from what we really need, which is heavier rain along the coastline. So we'll keep an eye on that. That could shift a little bit farther south. I could see that happening. So I'd plan on at least some showers on Saturday. We'll see how much rain we're talking about. It does get a little bit stickier. Probably feel it a little Thursday, more so Friday and Saturday. So although temperatures are about the same, if not a bit cooler, it'll feel more summery at the end of the week because of those higher dew points. I looked forward, by the way, didn't see any big heat in the 10-day, so that means we've got a little while at least before any heat returns.
That's right, the humidity will make up for the difference then. It'll feel summer-like. All right, Keith, thanks.